Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your headlight. You don't have to go to an expensive detailer to get these done, or uh, buy the buy this new. It's going to cost you hundreds of dollars depending on the vehicle. So this is there are many different things you can buy at the auto parts store to clean your glass. Okay, and it's all about oxidation, so you just have to remove it. So far you see I have a turtle wax compound, and I have another one here as well, so it doesn't really matter. So all you need is something to clean it with. So far I'm just using this. I already have this. So if you have a machine to do that, that's fine. And all you do it several times. It's best to mask this area if you are using a those machines, uh, so you won't damage the side. But I'm not doing that. I'm just doing it by hand. It takes longer, so the paint here is not going to scratch. Because if you're using grits, fine grits, you can, yeah, it's best to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna do this several times, at least three times, but you can do it 5, 6 times. And if you use a um, those machines or a polisher, it will be a lot faster. Yeah, but with hand, it takes a little bit longer. Okay, so you see the difference by now? I've only used this twice, and I don't even use a polisher, electric polisher. I just use my hands, and it's this foam, and with this, and you see how it is already clean, and I mess with this. So, and I'm going to do it one last time, and after that I will just apply the clear coat. This is the third time I'm using this here. Okay, again, same compound. You can get this at any yeah, any store. It's for the Headlight Restoration. Okay. And now look at that. You already see a big difference. Big difference. Like I said, I don't need to tape this here because I'm not using an electric polisher. An electric polisher with grits, grates will totally damage this. But yeah, but since I just use the foam, and it's not causing issue to the paint, and plus I don't scratch the paint. I make sure that I stay on the plastic. You see that? You see? Look at the difference. Okay, so once you're done, you clean this with this towel. If you don't have a microfiber towel, you just clean it with anything. And so now we just apply the clear coat, and all you have to do is just spray it. Just spray it. We have an issue. I've had this for many years, so it looks like it expired, but it still gives me it clean. So what I have here, I got a second one. This one here I bought not too long ago. That's also clear coat. I will apply this. But the other one, you see, it's watery, so that means that the chemical compound expires, and then it just it gives us a mist. But this one here, that's yeah. So see the difference. There we go. So now it just brings the shine back. There we go. You see that? Let me turn off the flash. Okay, see that? Yeah, bring that and do the bottom part. Add one more. See? There we go. Yep. You see? Let me turn the flash back. And more light. There we go, and there we go. You see? See how shiny it is? Oxidation is gone. And just let this dry for for a day or two. Do not wash the vehicle. Do not wash the vehicle. There we go. See? Before and after. So now I'm going to show you the other one, which I've already done. Okay, this is the passenger side, and this is the driver side, which we just did. You see? Very nice. Thank you for watching. And you can do it yourself, okay? You can do it yourself.